Ropes are tied to a vertical prop. During a sudden fall, props can slip off or kick off. Sharp edges of concrete structure can result in lifeline rope to snap during a fall. Here, each time the worker has to remove and rehook the safety harness. Sag of the lifeline is clearly visible here. Higher sag can increase dynamic forces during a fall. Unsafe anchoring of lifeline is shown here. Ropes are tied to the brackets. Ropes may sometimes fail during sudden impact.